In the heart of Romania's sprawling capital, Bucharest, there lies a strange and beautiful contrast. On one side, a massive urban sea known as Lacul Morii, or Mill Lake. On the other, a futuristic giant of steel and concrete, the Ciurel Bridge. Tonight, we're not just exploring them. We're watching them catch fire under one splendid sunset, seen from above. This is not a natural lake. It was built in the 1980s, born from a harsh necessity, to tame the wild Dâmbovița River that once flooded the city. But to create it, an entire neighborhood was erased. A village, a church, and a cemetery, all sacrificed and covered by these very waters. Today, the lake serves as the city's main flood defense, but it has also become a sanctuary, a place where people come to escape the noise, to jog, or to simply watch the light fade. That small patch of green you see in the middle, that's Angel's Island, a piece of wilderness reclaimed by nature, standing where a community once lived. And then there is the bridge. For years, Bucharest locals knew it by a different name, the suspended bridge to nowhere. It's a massive, complex piece of engineering, a vital artery designed to connect the city centre to the main highway. But for almost a decade, construction stalled. It hung here, unfinished, a silent monument to grand plans and bureaucratic delays. Now traffic finally flows. It arches over the Dâmbovița River and the lake's edge, a concrete giant finally fulfilling its purpose. Its true beauty, however, isn't in its function. It's in its form, especially at this hour. As the golden hour hits, the controversy and the dark history seem to melt away. The setting sun transforms the cold concrete into warm gold, and the lake becomes a perfect, liquid mirror. You are no longer looking at just a bridge or just a lake. You are watching two different worlds, nature and infrastructure, past and future, reflecting each other in a final, splendid moment of light. This is the beauty hidden within the chaos of the city. Romania is full of places with hidden stories. What should we explore from above next? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this flight, consider subscribing for the next journey.